Welcome to another online party book video tutorial. In this video, we will teach you how to add a customized menu to the top of your party book that allows guests to navigate your site. We will start from the back office of your party book. If you do not know how to get into the back office of your party book, please see one of our other video tutorials or speak to a member of our staff. Click on Menu List in the middle column of the back office. The default site won't have any menus to start with, but we will add all the standard menus here and teach you about the custom options. Click on Add New Menu to make the first one. At this screen, you will enter the details of your new menu item. The first option is Position. This sets the order of the menus. We recommend you enter the position in multiples of 10. The first menu item will be position 10, the second will be position 20, and so on. This will make it easier for you to add another menu item in between two others later. For example, if you already have a 10, 20, and 30 menu item, you can add another menu item at 25 and it will appear between 20 and 30. The next field is Menu Name. In this field, you will type exactly what you want the link to say. In this example, we will make a menu item with the name About. The last field is Menu Type. In this drop-down list, you can select what this menu does. Since the About page is mostly informational, and you will probably not change much throughout your time with your website, the appropriate menu type is Static Page. You can also choose to have this menu item hidden, perhaps to not have it visible until you have finalized its content. You can always go back later and uncheck Hidden when you want to allow access to that page. After you have filled out all 4 fields, press Insert/Update this menu at the bottom. Now you can see we have a new menu item at the top of the page under the logo that says About. We haven't yet specified what content to show, so let's click Edit next to the About menu item to set up this static page. From here, we can use this box to create our custom About page. A static page is simply a blank canvas for you to type whatever you want. Most organizations use this to explain the purpose of their party book, specify policies or rules, or give instructions on how to use the website. In this box, you can set up your static page however you want. Here, I am going to paste some text that I have copied from Microsoft Word. Once you have the information looking the way you want, click Insert/Update this menu. Now the About menu item works, and as you can see, it takes you to the content you just created. This time, we're going to make probably the most important page of all, the catalog. Since this is the second item, make the position 20. Set the name to Party Book and the type to Catalog, and then insert the menu. Now you can see the new menu at the top. By default, a catalog menu shows every part that is not missing any details and has not passed. You can check the Customize Your Catalog video for more details. Though you can customize what can be seen on your catalog, your attendees will need to register before they can purchase any spots. So the next menu we should create is a link to the registration page. Let's add a new menu, this time with position 30. Name the menu Register Now and set the type to Register Now. For more information on customizing the registration process, please check the Customize Your Registration video. Another commonly used menu is the Calendar, which will automatically generate a month-by-month calendar showing where your parties fall throughout the year. We want this to be the 4th menu at the top. So you know the drill. New menu, position 40, name it Calendar, type is Calendar. Click on the Insert/Update this menu and you can see that you now have a working link to a calendar. Before our menu gets too wide, we should add a break so that we can begin a second row of menus. New menu, position 50, no name necessary, type is break. You won't see the difference immediately, but when we add the next menu, you'll see that it has come down to the next row. Since your attendees will be buying lots of parties, they will need a page where they can keep track of all their parties. A cart of sorts. New menu, position 60, name is My Parties, type is cart. This new menu will automatically show whatever parties the current user has joined, including paid, unpaid, and waitlisted parties. Of course, we don't want people to have unpaid parties, so let's give them a way to check out. New menu, position 70, the name is checkout and the type is checkout. This new menu will automatically show the unpaid parties for the current user. That concludes the bare minimum menus a party book needs. Now let's say we forgot to put a newly added parties menu right after your party book. We would want a new link that shows just those parties we designate as new. So let's add a new menu. Position is 25, name is Newly Added Parties, and type is Category. This link will show just those parties in a particular category. Hit Insert and you'll see the new menu at the top, but we need to hit Edit one more time so that we can specify a category. Hit Insert and you'll see the new menu at the top, but we need to hit Edit one more time so that we can specify a category and give a few details to appear above the items. If you have any more questions, please email us at info@onlinepartybook.com or give us a call at 484-PARTIES.